Howdy YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman Raw. So today we're going to be doing the clear coat stage on this Suzuki Swift. So I did do a previous video where we went through the base coat colour. So it's a 3-stage. It's like a fake candy, it's not a real candy. And yeah, I'm using my Pro Light Gunman Edition TE 21.3. I've been going through all my spray guns because we're a little bit quiet at the moment, just a bit of a lull. Like we've got more work coming soon, but I've been going through, like, giving my guns a proper clean out, and this is one of the ones I did recently, so I felt like using it for clear. So yeah, the clear I'm using this time is the LVC 177, which is the air dry clear. I just felt like it drying nice and fast. I might even do the second coat on the bumper straight away. That gives the bonnet an extra sort of minute to dry. I really like this colour. Maybe it's just because it's something different than that bloody Soul Red Crystal, but I prefer it. I actually think it's a nicer, more vibrant, brighter colour. I actually don't like Soul Red Crystal. It makes me sick. I'm not even joking, I actually don't like that colour. I don't think it looks that good. I've seen people like paint their project cars in those Mazda colours, and I'm like, oh my god, that is just, it's gross, man. If you're gonna go to all the effort to do a custom colour, you could choose a good one. You could, but you didn't. happy with that. That's killer. What a spray gun, man. What a gun. Pro Light TE20 1.3. Looks like a bloody bowling ball, that thing. Till next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.